Oh, and before we go, like, so for anybody who wants to get into data analytics, let's just say we're talking to coder. You need to learn at least intermediate to advanced Excel. You need to learn intermediate SQL and beginner to intermediate Python, because any project you want to do, you could really do all of it in all three.
Mm-hmm.
It's, standalone, but there are things that you can do. And like, the thing about Excel is Excel has a lot of commands and a lot of functions. SQL does too, but there are things you can do in Excel and SQL that are easier than Excel. Then there are things you can do in Python that are easier to do in Python than in SQL. So that's why having knowledge of all three will give you, tools to know, okay, well, this could be done in SQL much easier, or this could be done in Python much easier. And in Python, you can create Excel files. You can create CSV. It's it's powerful.
Can you do that same thing in SQL as well?
Um, you can export it,
Mm-hmm.
but you can't create it.
Okay.
But in Python, you can create the file format and the output that you want,
Oh, okay.
which
Okay.
is cool.
Absolutely. And
Mhm.
everybody, well, especially those of us who've gone through, who've lived through decades of health information, everybody know how everybody loves an Excel spreadsheet. That's the bread and butter over there in health
Yeah,
information. Be like, oh my God, if I see another spreadsheet, I swear I'm gonna die.
because and the main thing is you have to know, especially even in Excel, like that pivot table is just like the beginning. You can't do anything with data if you can't do a pivot table. But
Absolutely.
but overall, you also need to learn aggregation. And aggregation is nothing but math. You need to know how to
Mm-hmm.
count some, how to total something,
Mm-hmm.
so that's aggregation. So you need, I'm telling you, like, it's not as difficult as people think, but they make it like that because I think it's all part of gatekeeping. But for real,
Where's my
like,
tea?
for real, it's not.